So if you don't make a sound, you don't know where you're located at. And you know, we are one part of the body of Christ. We just one part. So if we make a sound, and they making a sound in Africa, he know where the sound from here is coming from. He know where the sound in Africa is coming from. See, I ain't trying to upset you, but I'm really trying to help your mind and get your mind in a thought of training like how Jesus speaks, and we get clarity when he speaks. And when he speaks, we move.
Yes.
Glory.
Thank you.
Yes.
Glory.
If he don't speak, we can't move.
That's right. That's right.
If he don't speak, we can't move.
That's right.
And sometimes we sitting here saying like, I'm waiting for God to answer. He already answered. And we so used to him answering the same old way. I'm here to tell you he's not moving the same old way.
Yes.
So what side is this? Wait a minute, because I'm getting excited because some young people over here, and you know a lot of times they say young people don't like to praise God, but my friend right over there, he praising God right behind Elder Barnes, so I can hear him all the way up here. See, I heard the person say, yeah, bless her right now. So they tell you I got a good ear to hear. I ain't going to tell you to do something that I'm not going to do. I'm not telling you to praise him, and I'm not going to praise him. Now see, I bless him regardless if you bless him. I'm going to praise him because I got to get from this place back to Baltimore. And I don't know what's going to come before me. So I'm going to give him praise before I get on the highway. I'm going to give him glory before I start the engine up. I'm going to magnify him before I even step back over Baltimore city limits. Because I need him to move before I get there. And if I need him to move before I get there, I got to start before I get there. So if we're waiting for the victory and we're waiting on an answer, give him some praise before the answer comes. Give him some praise before the answer comes. Give him some glory before the answer comes. Give him some honor before the answer comes. I found him to be a waymaker. Oh, I found him to be a waymaker. Wait. I say I found him to be a waymaker. But the reality of it all, he is the way, the truth, and the life. There can't no other way be made except by him. So you know, I'm blessing him for the Father. I'm blessing him for the Son. Most of all, I'm blessing him for the Holy Ghost. Because when the Holy Ghost comes, you get power. You get power when the Holy Ghost comes. If you ain't got something, maybe you ain't got no power today. But I declare unto you, if you stay around here just a little while longer, he will endue you with power from on high. Just stay a little while. The water is already troubled. And you know when the water is troubled, all you got to do is step in. Because you're going to be made whole. You're going to be made whole. So come on and celebrate the second gift of this house. The person of Pastor King. Come on, let's bless the woman of God. Come on, let's honor the woman of God. Let's bless the woman of God. I just want to mess with us just a little bit. This just 2 years. And eyes have not seen, neither ears have heard, neither has it entered into the heart of man what God is going to do in the life of Kimberly King. But you know what I want to encourage her with? Just stay in the way because God ain't finished. Just stay in the way just a little while longer because God ain't finished.
My God, my God, my God.
See, if you can be encouraged by me saying it to her, you should be encouraged. Because if he ain't finished with her, that means he ain't finished with us. I don't want to lose nobody.